is enter class 12th first chapter NCERT pattern reproduction in organisms. Okay students, reproduction in organisms. Reproduction in organisms. Okay student, this first is reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process of which organisms and produce its offspring is called reproduction. Okay student, this the process of which and organisms produce its offspring is called reproduction. Okay student, the first the process of which an organism produce its offspring is called reproduction. Okay student, reproduction in organisms. This now first topic is lifespan. This is first topic is reproduction in organisms, lifespan. The lifespan is the birth on formation to death. What is that? Death is natural. That is natural. Okay student, this is called lifespan. This is lifespan is divided into 5 categories. Okay student, the lifespan is divided into 5 categories. This category, now first, this is birth. Now second, juvenile phase. Now third, reproduction phase. Now again, the next phase is senescent phase. Now last, this is death. Okay student, this lifespan category in the 5 parts. This is birth on formation to death. This is formation, the 3 step is whole. The juvenile phase, okay, this is working period, this is growing period. This growing period, the reproduction is the on formation, the single gamete seed, double gamete, the formation in the new phase, new generation is called reproduction phase. Senescent phase, this is relaxed phase. This is relaxed phase, lifespan. This is now death. Okay student, this is total 5 phase in the lifespan. Then lifespan, the 4 very important. The first is may fly in this 24 hours. For example, 1 day. Okay student, may fly the 24 hours, the 1 day, and the second is longest animals, the lifespan. This is high is the longest. Tortoise is the span is 200 to 300 years. Here, this other book is the category the 300 to 400 years. This now 200 to 300 years. The lifespan is tortoise. Then bowhead whale, its lifespan is 150 to 200 years. 150 to 200 years. Its lifespan is bowhead. And this parrot is the lifespan is 140 years. 140 years. It's very important. This is the third examples is the mayfly, the MCQ questions for NEET preparation. The mayfly, the lifespan is option is the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and 4 day. This is examples of 1 day. Okay, this is 24 hours. This is hours. The 24 hours. The longest animal, the lifespan is, this is MCQ, 4 times. The tortoise is the 200 to 300 years in between them. Then bowhead whales, the 150 and 200 years, and the parrot the 140 years. Okay, children. Now next example is Now next example is the butterfly. Butterfly is the lifespan is butterfly the 1 and 2 week. 1 to 2 weeks. And now next is elephant. Elephant is the lifespan is 75 years old. Okay student. Then for example the horse the lifespan is 50 years. 50 years. Okay student. Then tortoise, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This 7 example is very important for this lifespan is need preparation. Then now next topic is reproduction. Reproduction phase is divided into 2 parts. Okay student, this reproduction phase reproduction, the process of which an organisms the produce of offspring is called reproduction. Okay students, now topic is reproduction. Reproduction are divided into 2 parts. Now next part is asexual reproduction. Then second part is sexual reproduction. Okay then, sexual reproduction. Then asexual reproduction was the only one organisms only one organisms then only one organisms reproduction, only one organism reproduction. This is called single gamete. Okay sir, single parent. The reproduction only one organisms reproduction. This is single parent requirement. This asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction is the double organisms reproduction. Okay student, only one organism reproduction is the single parent requirement, and the two parents requirement, male and female requirement. Okay student, now next this is no fusion requirement, no fusion, and the sexual reproduction fusion and gametes. Okay, this is sexual reproduction are compulsory, fusion and gametes generate. Okay student, this is asexual reproduction, no fusion requirement. Okay student, now third point is very important. This is mitotic division. Sexual reproduction, then is the sexual reproduction is meiosis and mitotic division. Now compulsory 2 divisions, meiosis and mitosis. This is sexual reproduction. Okay student, then now fourth asexual reproduction requirement is the very important. This is clone formation. Genetically morphological identical. Okay sir, clone formation, this process is the clone formation is which the reproduction is asexual reproduction, genetically morphologically identical. Okay student, asexual reproduction, this is clone formation is this is process is vegetative propagation. Then is the clone formation. Now next sexual reproduction is recombination and variation. This process is recombination, this sexual reproduction, the DNA protein synthesis, the DNA recombination, this RNA, DNA, the vectors, plasmids, then recombination and variation, the 1 and 2 male and female gamete after fuse the fertilization and the fertilization, then parts other DNA, that is called variation. Okay student, this is reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. Now one organism requirement, the second organism requirement, this is no fusions, this fusion and gamete compulsory, this is mitotic division, sexual reproduction, mitotic and meiosis are compulsory, this is clone formation, then in recombination and variation. Now next lecture is describe the asexual reproduction. Okay student, snapshot, and thank you class. Okay student, thank you.
ये कहाँ से वीडियो